Mighty101. The ultimate car cleaning product. Mighty101 really is the ultimate car cleaning product, and is safe to use on all types of car paintwork. It even removes the toughest brake dust, grease, and grime from alloy wheels. Mighty101 is perfect for removing bugs, insects and traffic film from windscreens. Mighty101 really makes your chrome sparkle. But what is really amazing, is that Mighty101 will even remove tree sap, all types of glues, and rubber marks from your car bodywork. What is even more astonishing, you can use Mighty101 inside your car. Yes, Mighty101 is great on leather and upholstery, superb stain remover from carpets, as well as eliminating bad smells and odors from fabrics. But wait, we have a phenomenal fact. Yes, a phenomenal fact. Once you mix Mighty101 with water, our eco-friendly product costs less than $1. Yes, less than a single dollar. Remember to use Mighty101 everywhere in your home. Use Mighty101 to clean motor and marine vehicles. Mighty101 is tough enough to use at your place of work. Mighty101, one product, 101 uses.